Let's talk about some of the most important sections on map location based on the current happenings. So the first is the olive riddle turtles lying in the regions of Gihirmatha Wildlife Sanctuary, and this is in the region of Kendrapara district of Odisha. It has been declared a marine sanctuary since 1997, and you have a lot of olive riddle turtles coming here as a kind of nesting site that is there. Now Tawang and Zero are two places in Arunachal Pradesh which have been in news in the Yojana edition of February, and this talks about growing homestays. So people are developing homestays, allowing for tourists to stay in their own homes. Similarly, in Kabang in Arunachal Pradesh, you also have traditional bodies at the village working for the homestay facility. Again, this was part of rural tourism in Yojana edition. Based on the Hindu current affairs, you have Zaria, which is one of the places in the Dhanbad district of Jharkhand, and this place has reported highest amount of particulate matter 10 in the city, and this is considered as one of the most polluted city. It is one of the major mining cities in India. The next is the Serikala Kharsavan, Jharkhand. Now this is a block where you have registered highest proportion of neonatal deaths. Nearly 96% of the deaths are at the neonatal stage. That is due to weakness, low body weight, pneumonia or any other infection, and that was part of the down to earth research summary. The next is the Dabwali village in Haryana, where you have several farmers who have tried to manage paddy crop residue, and this is where they are using machines to cut them, turn them into bundles, and then take them to various parts of the country across India. The next is Serum Institute of India, headquartered at Pune, is important, where they are working for developing the vaccine for coronavirus in India, and this is again part of your down to earth summary. Ukul district, now this is a district lying in the region of Manipur. So again important. What is important is you have a huge amount of women who are working with water hyacinth. Now water hyacinth is considered as a water weed, however they are trying to twist the dry stems of water hyacinth and try to make bags and baskets out of it. The next is Mahadai river. Now Mahadai river goes through three of the states, that is Goa, Karnataka and Maharashtra. So Karnataka, Maharashtra and Goa have been having a constant dispute on the water sharing of the Mahadai river. Very important, and this is because of the construction of the Kalasa Banduri project, again part of your down to earth studies. You have another important village in the Kadapa district of Andhra Pradesh, and there is where you have Jal Shakti Abhiyan, where community pond has been dug for getting water. The next is Mandi district. You have innovative techniques of solid and liquid waste management that has been seen here, recycling of the grey water and using water for other sources other than drinking and cooking purposes. The Chutka village in Mandla district of Madhya Pradesh is important because the district has been working against the establishment of a nuclear power plant for more than 1 decade. Still there have been relocation of the tribes that have been going in this area. Hapur in Uttar Pradesh is where you have the rice husk storage facility that has been using biomass as one of the major sources of energy. So it's again a revolutionary breakthrough where we are trying to use biomass as a source of energy. The next important is Tadoba Andheri National Project in Chandrapur in Maharashtra. Now this is where you have a dam that has been proposed, and it was believed on the Hanuman river, and it is supposed to submerge nearly 90% of the forest area in this region if this dam comes up, and therefore has been controversial since long. Shivsagar in Assam is an important site where you have nearly 500 historical sites and temples that are there for tourism. The next is the center has named some of the regions as iconic sites. Now these iconic sites includes Rakhi Ghari in Haryana, Hastinapur in Uttar Pradesh, Dhulavira in Gujarat, Adi Challanur in the region of Tamil Nadu, and then Sivasagar in Assam. Sivasagar we have already talked about separately, very important. Now three of these places you have wildlife sanctuaries that were there in the region of Jharkhand, but these wildlife sanctuaries have been wiped off because the idea is to enhance the iron ore mining in those areas. The next is Gondi tribe. Now Gondi tribe of Chhattisgarh has been adversely affected because of the lockdown and the mahua which is grown in this region, and the tribe is not getting any benefit out of the mahua grown here. Similarly, you have Dhamtari, which is one of the Asia's biggest lac market, and which is one of the major minor forest produce area. So minor forest produce that is seen from the forest area at Dhamtari in Chhattisgarh, and this has been again adversely affected because of the shutdown that has been seen. Valyar village, you have a very important aspect that has been seen recently. It is a junction between Kerala and Tamil Nadu, and Tamil Nadu near Coimbatore has made or ensured that people or health workers are continuously disinfecting the vehicles before they are crossing the state. So before they are crossing the state, the vehicle should be completely disinfected. So those were some of the major highlights from the various recent sources, Down to Earth, Yojana, Kurukshetra, Hindu. So make sure that you are checking up all the important map locations, very important for your mains examination. We will be covering a lot many of those. Stay tuned. Have a wonderful day ahead.